Do we even know what our soul wants? Do most of us even truly know our soul? No, not everyone knows their soul fully. You know how when you first meet someone, you get to know them after a certain amount of time? Well, this actually works with ourselves. We are not born consciously knowing our souls and what we want. Our soul has always been alive, but for our mind to consciously learn our soul takes some soul searching. Not everyone really has the desire to deeply search their souls. Oftentimes, one will learn more about their soul after a traumatic event. For example, we don't know how we will react when faced with an event until it happens. Once it does, we get to learn that much more about our soul. To do the deep soul searching requires us to appreciate life to the fullest so we can experience the deep, tranquil period of time in which our mind can just escape into that spiritual plane. Once we know our soul fully, we should become at peace with ourselves, meaning that if something bad happens, we can still be happy. True happiness should not be determined by circumstances. True happiness is something that comes from within. If you are self-actualized, you will know that you can be happy even if everything else in the world is failing. Most people are said to not ever achieve self-actualism. It is a rarity among people in general and a quality most people would love to possess. Most people don't realize that much of our world is so superficial that we are